Hey everyone, it's Mark, and today we're taking a look at a sovereign citizen who goes up against a very patient cop during a traffic stop. Let's roll the video.
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning, sir. I'm with the Texas Highway Patrol. Now, you're stopped today because your speed was confirmed over the speed limit back there. Let's see your license and your insurance, please.
So you're saying I violated some sort of transportation code?
Yes, sir. Speeding.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's license and your insurance, please, and we can talk.
Okay. Well, I'm letting you know that I'm not here in a commercial capacity.
Okay.
I'm not carrying people for a fee, and I'm not carrying any cargo for a fee.
Okay.
I'm actually just traveling.
Right.
So those laws are actually for commercial reasons, not for personal reasons, not for...
Everything you just said is meaningless. Just show the police officer your license.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I just need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance for the vehicle, okay?
Okay. I don't... There's not a crime that's been committed, so...
Yes, sir. The speed limit here is 65, and your speed was confirmed over the speed limit.
Okay.
You're traveling on a public roadway.
Okay. Again, that is... make sure we're recording this. That is for... There you go. That is for a commercial vehicle. I'm not a commercial vehicle. Those speed limits are set for commercial vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah. Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's license.
Am I under arrest?
Technically, this is an arrest. You're not. You are not being placed under arrest and going to jail.
Okay. If this is a custodial arrest. This is a custodial arrest, right? Okay. What department are you with?
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Trooper Taylor.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I under arrest? Is this a custodial arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead and read me my Miranda rights, please? My Miranda warnings. You said I'm under arrest. Okay, that's the law. Is that now I want you to give me my Miranda warnings.
For what reason?
Because you said I'm under arrest.
That's right. Like I said, it's a traffic arrest. It's a traffic stop. Okay. Okay.
The law doesn't differentiate whether it's traffic or murder. Okay. If I'm under arrest, then you are required to give me my Miranda rights. Go ahead and give me my Miranda rights.
Okay. All right. This is evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present to it before and during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. If you are too poor to hire a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed by the court to advise you before and during any questioning. You have the right to terminate this interview at any time. Now, I need to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance for the vehicle. Okay, so you said I have the right to remain silent, correct? Right. You don't have to say anything. Right. I need to see your driver's license and your insurance. Anything I say can and be used against me in a court of law. Is that correct? If I give you my driver's license and I give you proof of insurance, you can use that against me in a court of law. So why would I want to give that to you? I'm going to go ahead and exercise. Because it is required by law. No. You just said anything I say can be used against me. Right. So if I give you something, it can be used against me.
He has the right to remain silent, but like all sovereign citizens, he doesn't know how to remain silent.
Okay, why would I give you something that can be used against me? You told me that. Law. No, you told me that was a right. I have the right. So I'm going to exercise my right to remain silent. I want my attorney since I'm under arrest. Okay, and I am going to exercise the fact that I can't give you anything because you can use that against me. I'm not trying to use anything against you. Well, you could, but you could, is the thing. You want to read those Miranda rights again? Sir, to operate a vehicle on the roadway, you're required to have your driver's license, okay? Sir? And you're required to follow the speed limit. If I'm operating under a commercial reason, okay? Not if I am just traveling. I told you I am just traveling in my private conveyance. So that law does not apply to me. So now you don't have probable cause anymore. Yes, am I free to go? No, you are not free to go. Okay. Sir. I suggest you call your supervisor right here because you obviously don't understand the law. Sir. You just read me my Miranda rights. Okay. Okay. Listen, I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. The faster we do that, the faster we can both get out of here. Sir? Sir? I think we're very clear on this. You read my Miranda rights. You want to read them again? No, sir. Okay. So I am not going to answer any questions. I'm going to remain silent. That's fine. I cannot give you anything because if I give you something, that you can use that against me in a court of law. Okay. Do you understand that? Sir. Do you understand that? Understand what? that if I give you something, you can use that against me in a court of law. Why would I give you something?
Because it's required by law.
Okay,
you broke the law. You were traveling at a speed greater than the speed limit.
If I'm under arrest, I'll be glad to ID.
Okay, let me see some identification.
I give you a verbal ID.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, if you say I'm under arrest, then I'll give you a verbal ID. I don't see how I could be under arrest when I haven't broken the law.
What's your verbal ID?
Okay, first name is Edward.
That's EDWARD?
Correct.
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just as you read my Miranda rights.
Do you have proof of financial responsibility for the vehicle?
I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, well, let's see what we got. All right, sir.
Am I free to go?
No.
Okay.
All right, so do you have any suspensions, any warrants on your license right now?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, here's the deal. Back there at FM 523, your speed was confirmed at 92 miles per hour. Okay? Speed limit here is 65. So you are going to receive a citation for your speed today, okay? Do you have insurance for the truck?
Sir, again.
Okay, I'll check it on my side. Just hang on one second. You just sign here on the X and sign it here. It's not a plea of guilt. It's a promise to make contact with the court. You're going to make contact with Judge Davis here in Angleton on or before February 6th. Right.
Can I see that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I disagree with this.
Okay. You're not going to sign it?
I like my attorney now, since I'm under arrest.
Okay. So are you going to sign this or no?
I would like my attorney, sir.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, this has all your information on it and what you need to do to be able to contact Judge Davis, okay? There's a phone number and an address on there, okay? All right, sir. Well, just be safe driving, okay? And slow it down a little bit.
This sovereign citizen was lucky to only get a ticket for speeding. This bonus video is an Australian sovereign citizen who refuses to provide her license.
Now, is she going to pull over?
Dunno.
Should I tell her? I'll ask her just to move it in there.
Yeah, tell her park it there.
Hi there, how you going?
Alright.
That's good. Senior Constable Perrin from Gladstone Police. Can I just ask you to put your car in there, please? Thank you.
There's a bunch of sovereign citizen nonsense written on the back of her car. Those posters should really say, "Please arrest me because I'm an idiot."
Hi there, sir. As I said, my name's Senior Constable Perrin, Tester Gladstone Station. What's this you're producing?
It's a notice to you, mate.
For what?
Common law.
Okay.
Also known as fake sovereign citizen paperwork.
So, do you have a current driver's license, ma'am?
I don't have to answer any of your questions if you read that.
Okay. Do you have a current driver's license, ma'am?
I don't have to answer any of your questions, sir.
Okay. Can I ask you just to state your full name for me, please?
No.
Okay. She's just done her window up. Right, so do you have anything with your name on it, ma'am?
Would you mind having a look at that notice?
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Would you mind having a look at that
Yep.
notice?
Jan-
I've issued you with a notice, mate.
Do you understand in Queensland that as a person operating a motor vehicle, you're required
Do
to have
you
a driver's
understand
license?
that we have common law rights?
Okay. Ma'am, are you refusing to produce your driver's license? Is that what I'm understanding?
Do you understand that I don't have to answer any of your questions if you read that?
Okay.
Now, that is a legal document.
Right. Are you sure about that?
I am sure about
Looks
that,
like
mate.
something you might have printed off the internet. It's even got the web address at the bottom.
Well- Okay. That's common law.
Right, okay.
So
man,
you're
in Queens-
refusing me my common
ma'am,
law
in
rights.
Queensland, you still have to produce a driver's license, or
Mate,
something.
I have common law rights.
Or we can give you a requirement to give us your name.
Okay, so my name's Senior Constable Perrin at Tasta Gladstone Station. My registered number's 31463. You're a driver of a motor vehicle today and now require you to state your full and correct name. I must warn you, failure to comply with that direction is constituting an offence for which you may be arrested and charged.
Really?
Yes.
What offence am I committing? Am I committing a crime, am I?
I've just required you to state your full and correct name.
Am I committing a crime?
You will be if you don't
You
give
will
your
be.
name, yes.
Why? What crime?
Contravening that requirement.
Contravening a requirement.
Yes.
Correct.
So what law does this understand? And what law are you going by?
I've given you the direction under the Police
No,
Powers
I
and
don't want a
Responsibilities
direction,
Act.
mate.
Yep.
I
sorry.
want you to state the law.
Okay, my apologies. I've given you a requirement under the provisions
Right,
of the
a
Police
requirement.
Powers and Responsibilities Act, okay?
Yep.
Which
So
you've
it's
already
a
been
police
warned
act.
about. If you fail to comply with, you are constituting an offence for which you may be charged. So you're going
Mate,
to state
you're
your
a
full and
private.
correct
You
name?
work for a private company,
No, I don't. I work for the Queensland Police Service.
which is a private company.
Are you going to comply with my direction?
Is the police force a
Are you
private
going to
company?
comply with my direction?
No, you answer my question first.
Are you going to
Is it
comply
a
with my
pol-
direction?
Is the police?
Okay, ma'am, this is your last opportunity before you're
Ma'am,
going to
we'll
get
take you to
arrested.
the watch house because he's giving you
Okay.
plenty of opportunities,
This
alright?
is your last
I'll
opportunity.
drive down to the watch house.
No,
Right.
that's not how it works.
Okay, this is your last opportunity. Are you going to provide your full details?
No.
Okay, you're now under
Right.
arrest.
Up
Out you get
out
for
of
me,
the car,
please.
ma'am.
Pop up.
Come on, out of the car,
Out
ma'am.
of the car.
Look,
Out of
Ma'am,
the car.
out of the car.
Out of the car.
hang on.
Out of the car.
Hang on, I want to get my phone
Yep.
so I can ring my husband.
Yep, you can do that after.
Stop pulling away. Okay,
Oh,
otherwise
for
you're going to get
heaven's
charged for obstruct as well.
Can I lock my car up,
Yep,
please?
we'll lock
We can
it
do
for
that
you.
So you can't have any wallets, you can't have any lighters or anything in the back of the car.
Okay, just
Alright.
pass your keys to my partner and your handbag. Alright, just hop in
Cover
for me,
the back,
please.
ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
It's mind-boggling to me how so many people can fall for this sovereign citizen nonsense. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.